Welcome to the fourth video of Adobe Flash tutorials. In the previous video, I explained the functioning of Free Transform tool. In this video, you will learn about the Line tool, Rectangle tool, Oval tool, and Polystar tool. We will begin with the Line tool first. The Line tool is used to draw straight lines. It is straightforward to use. Select the Line tool from the Tools panel. Choose the stroke color and style from the Property Inspector. Set the thickness and other properties. Now click Stage and drag to draw a line. Similarly, we can draw a simple rectangle. To draw a rectangle, choose the Rectangle tool from the Tools panel. In the Property Inspector, set the properties like fill color, stroke color, enter the value of line thickness, let's set it to 8.5, then select the line style and other properties. You can also set the corner radius. By default, only one slider button is active, so whatever value you provide here, all the four corners will get the same radius. You can provide different value for the four corners, but for that you need to unlock the lock button here. Alright. You can also provide negative values for the corner radii. You might have noticed that when you draw a rectangle with rounded corners, you first provide the value for the corner radii, and after drawing it, you cannot change the radius. If you do not want this behavior, you can use Rectangle Primitive tool. Now, as you can see here, when you draw a rectangle using this tool, you will be able to change the shape in Property Inspector. Alright? Okay, so try to change the radii now and it will be reflected there. Alright. Now let's look at Oval tool. It's used to draw an oval or circle. To draw using this tool, click the drop down menu arrow of the Rectangle tool. Select Oval tool. In the Property Inspector, select the stroke color, select the thickness, line style, fill color, etc. Click to drag on the stage to draw an oval shape. Alright. If you want to draw a perfect circle, just do the same thing but keep the shift key pressed. Alright, now when you draw it will be a perfect circle. You can also draw part of a circle by specifying the start and end angles and the inner radius. As you can see here, okay. So we provide the value for the start angle, the end angle and the inner radius. So part of the circle will be drawn on the stage. Similarly, when you draw an oval or a circle using the Oval tool, you cannot change the properties like start and end angle or the inner radii after it is drawn on the stage. If you want to change these properties, you can use Primitive Oval tool. Now, if you draw with Primitive Oval tool, you can change these properties after you draw it. Alright? Okay. You can draw polygons or stars using the Polystar tool. To draw a polygon or star, select the Polystar tool. Set the stroke or fill properties in Properties Inspector. Click Options button. The tool setting dialog box will be displayed. Select the style, which can be polygon or star. Specify the number of sides. You can provide a maximum of 32 and a minimum of 3. If you are drawing a star, enter the value for the depth of star points. Minimum value can be 0 and maximum can be 1. Alright. If you are drawing a polygon here, do not change this value. Click OK to close Tool Setting dialog box and draw the shape on the stage. Alright. Now following the same steps, let's draw a polygon. Alright, okay. Okay. Now let's look at the pencil tool. The pencil tool is used to draw lines and shapes. It is just like you draw lines and shapes using your pen or pencil. To draw using pencil tool, select the pencil tool, set the stroke color, line thickness, style from the properties inspector, and other properties you can also set. Now it has 3 modifiers. Select the straighten modifier to draw straight lines, as you can see here. Now if you select the smooth option, smooth modifier, it will draw curved and smooth lines. Alright. Similarly, if you select the third modifier, that is ink option, it will draw a freehand lines without any modifications from the flash itself. So that's it for this video. We will begin our next video with the brush tool. Till then, goodbye.